Today, we are making the popular Brazilian fish stew, Moqueca. We will make the northeastern version, Bahia Baiana, with dende oil and coconut milk. So flavorful. We start by cutting our fish into small 1-inch cubes, and then adding lime juice, salt and pepper. Next, we add our shrimp, cleaned and deveined, and apply just some more juice, salt and pepper. Mix well and marinate in your refrigerator for about 20 minutes. For the fish today, we are using halibut. While the fish and shrimp are marinating, we can heat up a pan with a few tablespoons of olive oil and red palm oil or dende oil, and then we add onions, garlic and the red peppers. Keep on medium heat as we don't want to caramelize the ingredients. Just release flavors and soften. Now we add the tomatoes and then we add the coconut milk. This recipe is for 2 people, so we are using 1 small onion, 2 medium tomatoes, and a half can of coconut milk. Next, we add back the fish carefully and cover the pot for 3 to 4 minutes to cook the halibut. We are also using 1 large red bell pepper. Remove the cover and now add the shrimp as they cook faster than the fish. We now add roughly 1 teaspoon each of cumin, coriander and paprika. Cut up some cilantro and sprinkle generously into the stew. Stir and again close the lid for a few minutes to make sure the shrimp cook through. We are almost finished. Salt and pepper to taste, and we suggest you also add an additional teaspoon or 2 of dende oil, as it is one of the key ingredients of this recipe. You can also adjust the consistency with fish or chicken stock, but we like our stew a bit thicker, so it is, for us, now perfect and ready to serve. We hope you had a good time at Lasse's Kitchen in Rio de Janeiro. We'll see you again soon. Bye now!